Hello, my name is Neave of Neave Engineering, and I thought I'd give a quick update on the workshop build. Looking like ass because I've been welding. So, for those who don't know, this is part 2 in a series of converting a bunch of cargo containers into a workshop. Very amazing spaces because we've watched them all and sod it. We've got the chance, so why not? So current state is we've got the windows and doors in, should be in the last episode, and now working on the roof. We have 3 cargo containers. We've got the 20-footer, which I'm stood on now, and 2 10-footers. Come on, focus. There we go. So the reason we've got 2 10-foots and a 20 rather than just 2 10s is we've got a tree. So we didn't want to cut that down, so we had to kind of have this weird little L-shaped contraption thing going on. So what have we got? So part of the problem, falling over, is this bit here. So as you can imagine, underneath there, the 2 uprights, the 2 end walls and the 2 walls, and it just kind of, it's all walls basically. So what we've had to do is add all of this structure to kind of add a lot more strength to the top, so that we can cut out the walls underneath, between a 20-footer and a 2 10s, including the 2 uprights in the middle, because we want this to be one big open section. So yeah, that's what all of this welding's for. Dad's got 50 odd years as a structural engineer and fabricator. So he's designed this. I haven't. I'm just doing the grunt work. So getting it all done, and we've got the welding done for the 2 10-footers. Got this bit here, the 8-foot section between green and blue, and I'm just working on the bit between the 2 10-footers now, 2 blue ones now even. So the tricky bit with these is that these 2 blue containers aren't actually at the same level. So there's a slight step between the 2, and as a result we've got this annoying channel to weld into, that just complicates matters because life would be too easy otherwise. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing today, is getting the fiddly bit down here done, or at least close to done. There's a few I'm going to have to go over and fix, but yeah, it's all coming together nicely. So yeah, that's where we're at the minute. Hopefully over the next couple of days we're going to have this bit done, and once Dad comes on Tuesday and kind of gives my welds the once over, and yeah, points out which ones needs touching up and fixing and such, the plan is to kind of go over the roof with a layer of bitumen, just to watertight all the seals and to protect the metal, because yeah, these containers have definitely already had a hard life, and putting a coat of bitumen on just to protect them is a good idea if nothing else, and all the new welds. Because what we're going to do is we're going to do all that and then basically work on the insides and get that all kitted out, the walls cut through and all the rest of it, and then fit the roof next spring, because basically it's October now and we're losing good days, so we want to make sure that we're doing all the insulation and all the rest of it when it's actually dry. What we're going to do there is, where we've got this big upright in the middle, we're going to put battens either side of it and put a shallow pitched roof on here, so you can see that one kind of tapers down to the edge. It'll be a very shallow roof, but it'll keep within the height limits we've got here, and same over to that end. So it'll be corrugated steel or something like that, just to kind of fit with the design if nothing else. So yeah, that's that really. So next update's probably going to be me showing the inside when we've cut through all the sections, and yeah, cracking on really. We've got to the point now where it's lots of little fiddly bits, and it doesn't look like much is happening. It's just foot after foot after foot of weld, which, you know, it's incredibly important because otherwise the whole thing will fall on our heads, literally, which isn't ideal. So yeah, it's just that's where we're at. And yeah, big thank you to all my patrons, Angie and John Neave, my folks, and Bodger, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye for now.